Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the password on your Asus Chromebook. So there's basically two ways to do it, and first one is usually when you first set up your device you'll be able to log into your Google account, and from then your Chromebook will use the same password as your Google account, and if you change it then the password on your Chromebook should also change. But if you want to set up your own password, you can go for the start right here, open the settings, in a search enter password, screen lock password. You'll need to enter the current one, so I'm gonna do it but off the screen. Here you can lock the screen from the sleep mode on the passwords only or pin and password, and let's go for the pin or password and set up the pin. Enter your pin code. I'm gonna go with 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click on, or okay, it needs to be 6 digits, so let's go 5 and 6 and click on continue. Confirm the same pin. Now the password is set and you will need to use this pin code to unlock your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.